An OBD2 scanner is a small pocket-sized device. It can be plugged into an almost petrol vehicle's OBD port to get valuable information and real-time data about vehicle systems. Our OBD2 Bluetooth adapter is compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows versions. You can download these apps through your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Your cell phone or computer can now be your best car repairman. Our OBD2 scanner only works with petrol-powered vehicles. Plug the 16-pin plug into the OBD port of your car.